Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm not going to be showing my face because I look atrocious. And does this look dark to y'all? Does this look dark? Yeah, my settings are still not fixed because it should look brighter than this one. All right, so when you first walk into my apartment, because I realized I never showed you guys. So behind the front door, this is the front door. Behind me is a coat closet that we do not put coats in. You can't even see in there because it's so dark. But we don't put coats in there, we just have like storage stuff in there. And one thing I like about this apartment is that all of the doors are like really tall. So as you can see, the ceiling is all the way up there and the doors is all the way up there. But anyway, so this is the entryway and this is basically where I keep my keys, wallet, stuff like that. Yeah, we just have these two chairs that nobody never sits in because we don't keep any like, we don't keep any shoes and anything like that in front of the apartment. And then this right here is just the, what is it called? Not the electrical, or maybe that is what it's called, electrical closet, whatever. This right here is the laundry. You have the washer and the dryer. And over here is the powder room. Just a plain bathroom. Nothing special about it. Sneak peek of me. And this is what you're looking at. I just had that old Yeezy box there still. I would say, excuse my apartment, I'm moving, but my apartment usually look messy anyways. Over here, we have this wall art that we got from like Home Goods or something like that. And I have this ladder stand type thing that I got from Wayfair. And I love it so much. It's actually broken though. I have to like get some glue and like tape it up because when we moved the last time, somebody picked it up the wrong way and it like snapped. But anyway, so all the stuff on here we got from like either Wayfair or like Home Goods or like At Home, places like that. These right here came from Walmart actually. You can see Mainstay, that's like a Walmart brand. And this one, I don't remember where I got this from. It came from like Home Goods or something like that. And I removed all the pictures from out of it. My birthday crown, my roommate's birthday crown. And then you walk in, roommate's room, wall art. I think that was given to him. And, why did that happen just now? Over here, we just have like this little sitting area that never gets used. And this wall that we had painted red to match this wall art. My desk that never gets used. Well, I just started using it actually. And over here we have a wet bar with the wine cooler. This is like I like this area, but I wish it was like in the open area of the apartment because this area gets absolutely no love other than, you know, me storing wines and stuff in here, and then, you know, like storing stuff down there. And then we have our liquor right here, wine glasses, and I love a good Moscow Mule. And this is where the messy stuff is. The messiness is. So this is stuff that I'm like getting rid of, like all together, just throwing it out. Those shoes, I'm throwing those shoes out. This is like my like ship station. I have my scale for like shipping out packages. And this is the, what do you call it? Whatchamacallit that you would, what do you call that? Whatever, y'all get it. This I think came from like Home Goods or either TJ Maxx, one of those stores like that. And these books that I have yet to read, you guys. I'm going to read them. They're dusty right now, but once I get back into a space where I want to read, that's when they'll get read. But I'm slowly getting back to it though. And this is an overview of my living space. This is where all of my, like, I record my videos. Well, I record like a couple of videos over here. And this is where I smoke my hookah at. This is a non-smoking property, so scratch that last part out. This is our living room. It's a little messy right now, like a lot messy actually. Some boxes that I've been needed to throw away, and I'm just like, yeah, this was some balloons that's still here from my best friend's birthday back at the beginning of March. Yeah, I don't know where this couch came from. I don't know where any of this like glass furniture came from. This this right here came from Big Lots, actually. Yeah, Big Lots. This came from like At Home, not At Home, like Home Goods or something. Some more Walmart. What are these things called? What are these picture frames? This candle holder and the candles came from At Home. And it kind of like got some sun damage. Well, you can see that's why I got it from At Home. So I probably will get rid of these and replace them when I move. This is Bryson's little area. We've already, like I've moved his little area in several different places. It's been over there, it's been right there, it's been right here. And now it's over there and I think it's more appropriate. He's so scary, look at him. Come here. Got his ears all tucked behind his head. Yeah, this is his little area. This is his little bed that needs to get cleaned. He doesn't play with toys. And then this is like my lights. And one of them. This ottoman right here. I need to refinish these. I'm gonna sand them down and like spray paint them. My iPad's down there. I'm not sure. Oh, those balls down there came from, I believe, At Home as well. And these, those chairs over there came from At Home as well. And these bar stools that are like all kinds of crooked right now came from At Home as well. And then my trash can, I just recently bought this trash can from Target, Walmart. I'm not sure which one, but it was like, that just scared me. That stool just moved because anyways. So yeah. Don't mind the dishes, but this is the island that I absolutely love. This island, you have the dishwasher and you have the cabinets underneath. Obviously, this kitchen, let me just give an overview of this kitchen because I'm not doing it any justice, but this kitchen is amazing. It's one of my favorite places in the apartment, actually. And then we have these floor-to-ceiling windows, which makes the living room and everything about it's like bomb as hell. We actually went with this apartment because we had the opportunity to get the 9th floor in the same apartment, but on the 9th floor, one level up. But we chose this one because in this building they have a different aesthetic. Well, not aesthetic; it's the same aesthetic, but it has different cabinet colors. And so we wouldn't have had the black and the white. We would have had like white and brown, I believe. And we didn't want to go with that, so we chose the black. And of course, so we also have like high-end appliances. So we have Bosch refrigerator. It has all these different like settings. Where's the light at on this? Does it have a light? Yeah. I don't even really know how to do all that stuff like that. The dishwasher, I believe, is Bosch as well. Yep. I'm just now learning how to use the dishwasher. Cabinet space. Our microwave is down here next to the stove and the oven. And yeah, this is the pantry. It looks a mess right now. I don't even want to open it, but I'm going to anyways. Pretty much what everybody's pantry looks like. So we just use this for like storage for the most part. We use this only area right here for pantry stuff, like pantry items that you would actually find in the pantry. And we store like our trash bags, foil under the hookah. And then we have games down there, and then we have hookah stuff in this little area right here. I'm trying to think what else. These little black flowers I bought from Amazon. I wouldn't store it like this. I wouldn't put it up like this, but my roommate did it like that. I don't know. I bought them to mix in with like regular, like real flowers. And last but not least, my actual bedroom. So, look at Bryson. My bedroom is a mess, okay? So I have the master bedroom. Walks into the master bath and then my closet. But let's start in here. So, I forgot to tell you guys about my table books over here. So I have a Gucci table book and an Yves Saint Laurent table book right here. And there's like fur and dust all over them. And there's a Dior table book out there by the door. I didn't mention those stuff. But in here, a bunch of junk. This first aid kit that I have to take to work. The speaker that was given to me. My mahogany teakwood high intensity candles from Bath and Body Works. I just was watching somebody else's YouTube video. They were showing like a room tour, and they were showing that I think Trader Joe's or either Whole Foods, it was Whole Foods, has candles that are cheaper, and they have like a mahogany teakwood one. Well, it's teakwood and something else. So I'm definitely going to try that. I'm going to go to Whole Foods probably today, maybe. What did I have in this Gucci box? Maybe my belt. Some junk up here. Another book that I never finished. I have my Louis Vuitton table book, and then I have my Virgil table book. And this is all of my stuff for my brand. Not all of it, but I have some right there, and then I have stuff right there. There's my nightstand over there, my name, die. This mirror that I've had for so long that I really want to get rid of so I can replace with something else. But we'll see what this apartment gives, my next apartment gives, because I probably can have it somewhere else and still buy another mirror for some other area. I really want a mirror for my living room. And this is my bed. I love my bed so much. This room doesn't really give my bed the proper, you know, it doesn't really do too much for my bed in this room, because like you walk in and the bed's right here, but when it's pushed back a bit, like if the wall's further back, then you get a better feel. And so I have like a Paris theme in my room where I have that Paris picture, that Paris picture, that Paris picture, and then I have that little Paris stand right there. The Paris picture, those two Paris pictures and the Paris stands all came from Target, and this was actually given to me, and it just worked perfectly in my room, so I kept it. Nightstand, my nightstand is messy, I swear. Like I have all my work stuff, like my gun, my badge, my ID, like all that stuff. I'm gonna have a place for that in my next apartment, because like having that stuff on my nightstand, it's just not it, you know. Okay, so my bathroom, I have a bathtub that I've used maybe 4 or 5 times, and a shower. And so this is it. You guys already got a glimpse of, you know, everything so far, I mean before, but I just want to do an overview because I've never did an actual tour of my apartment since I've been here, and I meant to do it. And I feel like since I'm moving out, I can be more transparent about, you know, things. I'm on the 8th floor, you know, that kind of stuff, where I'm staying at. This is my work radio, not a walkie-talkie, you guys. It's a radio. This is what I've been handling business with lately. This is my, what is this called? Alexa? Hey Alexa. It's probably dead. She's probably dead. I'll probably find a place for that in my house, and I'll probably get an actual subscription, or actually add it to my sister's thing so I can use it. My sister's Amazon Prime, so I can use it. Because as of right now, I don't have time to like be having all these different subscriptions, so I don't get much use for it. Because right now I can use it, but I have to listen to ads. So this is my bathroom. It's a pretty dope setup. What I don't like about this bathroom though is that this door opens up into this whatchamacallit over here. So this area became like the junk area, like that. I don't really use that like that. This right here is a soap from Lush. And this is the bar that I use to moisturize my face from Lush. This is my, what do you call this thing? Like it flosses my teeth, water pick. And I used to brush my teeth with this, but I'm actually gonna throw it away because finding a replacement for this, and look how it looks. I have braces, so it gets all eat up. Finding a replacement head is like hard to find. And I bought it from Amazon, and I'm trying to figure out why is it so hard to find a replacement head on Amazon, but yeah, so I'm probably gonna just buy another new one, because like using an electric toothbrush changed my life. Like it's so much quicker, and I feel like my teeth get more clean. And I didn't think that would happen because like this head is so much smaller than a regular toothbrush head, but like it works. These 2 lamps, I think I mentioned this in my last video, I'm getting rid of. I'm holding on to this box. This was actually one of my shipments came in, but I'm gonna hold on to this box actually so I can like use it to move. And in this bag, I bought a bunch of smell goods from Target recently, like just the other day when I made the other video. And I'll have to do a smell good haul another time. But this is my toilet area. This mirror I just sat here because I didn't feel like mounting it anywhere, but it will definitely be a focus piece in my next apartment. Trash can, toilet, you know the deal. And this is my closet. I'm gonna miss this closet. I don't know why everything looks so dark. I don't know, probably because it's just not enough light. But I can't wait to organize my next closet because I'm gonna have like dress clothes in one area, my regular clothes in another area, and then I'm gonna have my hats and bags in another area. Just kind of like how this is. Well, it's not really like this now because I have dress shirts and t-shirts in the same spot. But I have my coats, and I have shoes on the top part. My work hat up there that I never wear. And some more like light jackets and stuff like that over here. T-shirts and stuff. My laundry basket, some more jeans. Some shoes. Some of my favorite shoes, my colognes and stuff like that over there. You guys know I mix perfume and cologne all the time. So that's why I have I thought for sure this fit. I looked at this camera, I was like, my camera is not recording. But anyways, so yeah, some I have shoes in here. And I'm trying to like minimize my shoes. I think I did a good job. I actually see another pair of shoes down there that I've never worn before that I'm probably gonna get rid of. But anyways, they're off that. And that concludes this apartment. You guys will get an empty apartment tour pretty soon. But yeah. This video is already too long, so I'm going to end it here. Bye.